Aphorism, the art of concise wisdom. Have you ever heard the phrase, life is what happens to you while you're busy making other plans? This concise yet profound statement is an excellent example of our word for today, aphorism. Word type. Aphorism is a noun, meaning an aphorism is a short, pithy statement expressing a general truth or observation. It's a concise, memorable phrase that often offers wisdom or insight. Aphorisms are frequently used in literature, philosophy, and everyday speech to convey complex ideas in a simple, striking manner. Word history. The term aphorism comes from the Greek word aphorismos, which means definition or pithy sentence. It was first used in medical context by Hippocrates, the ancient Greek physician, to describe concise principles in medical science. Over time, its usage expanded beyond medicine to encompass any brief statement of truth or opinion. Antonyms. While there are no direct antonyms for aphorism, some contrasting concepts include lengthy discourse, verbose explanation, or rambling statement. Synonyms. Some synonyms for aphorism include adage, maxim, epigram, proverb, and axiom. Each of these words has its own nuances, but they all share the quality of being concise, memorable statements. Examples used in sentences. The philosopher's latest book was a collection of aphorisms on the nature of happiness. In times of crisis, people often turn to aphorisms for comfort and guidance. Her speech was peppered with witty aphorisms that kept the audience engaged. The coach motivated the team with an aphorism. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing aphorisms with cliches. While both are concise statements, aphorisms are typically more profound and thought-provoking, whereas cliches are overused expressions that have lost their impact. Another error is assuming all short, catchy phrases are aphorisms. To be considered an aphorism, a statement should contain a general truth or insightful observation. Mastering the use of aphorisms can significantly enhance your writing and speaking skills for the IELTS exam. They demonstrate a sophisticated command of language and the ability to express complex ideas succinctly. Remember, the key to using aphorisms effectively is to choose ones that are relevant to your context and to use them sparingly for maximum impact.